This video is going to be the simplest and the easiest DIY I've ever done. It is all about fixing a bedside table, and other people might call it a night lamp stand. You can place your night lamp on it. Normally, the night lamp stand is situated very close to the bed. Some people use it to place their lamp while they read their novel or magazine while relaxing, unwinding in their bed before sleep knocks them off. But that doesn't mean you cannot use it to place other things like books, magazines, even drinks or snacks. It depends on what you want to use it for, what you want to be close to you as you lie in bed. Also, it doesn't necessarily mean you must use the side table in your room. Generally, it is used in bedrooms, but you can decide to put it in your bathroom. Maybe you want to use it for something else. So I'll start by unboxing it. Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's video. It's a DIY. I'm going to be fixing a bedside table where you can place your night lamp. You can even place your books or novels for easy access while you lie in your bed relaxing. I first of all start by unwrapping it, sorting everything and arranging them accordingly. The nuts and bolts, keep them separately, count them to make sure that they tally with the numbers written on the instruction manual. I place them on the floor, make sure none of the nuts is missing. I also go an extra mile to count them. So like I said, it's one of the easiest job I've ever done. Part of this is already fixed. It's just for you to place the wood on top and below, then just screw it. So it doesn't really have much going on. Most of the job have been done by the manufacturers, just to tighten the nuts and bolts. On the wood, placed on the foot of the side table, and the wood placed on top. Just tighten the knot from behind, and that's it. So I'll let you guys finish the rest of the video. If you learned anything from this video, make sure you like this video. Also share with your friends who are willing to watch it, and leave your comment below for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.